are going to see the next problem of exercise 3.7, which is the fourth question. Here they have given some problems. You need to verify whether those numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So before going to do that, you need to know what is meant by the divisibility rule for 4 and 8. And we have already discussed for the divisibility rule for 4, you need to check the last two digits of the number. And if that number is divisible by 4, we can say that the given number is divisible by 4. Similarly, for divisibility rule for 8, you need to check the last 3 digit numbers. Now see one problem in this. They have given the first question, which is 2104. You need to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or 8. So what is the divisibility rule for 4? You need to check the last 2 digits of the number. In this case, what is the last 2 digits, which is 04. And you know that 04 is nothing but 4 and 4 is divisible by 4. So write it here. The last 2 digits of a number what is the last 2 digits in this case, which is 04, and you know that 4 is divisible by 4. Clearly 4 is divisible by 4. I am writing divisible like this, divisible by 4. So what we can say here, the given number, which is 2104, is divisible by 4. Now you need to check for the divisibility rule for 8. For 8, you need to take the last 3 digits numbers. What is the last 3 digits here? 104. So you need to divide this number with 8 and you have to check whether you are getting the remainder as 0 or not. So write it here. The last 3 digits of a number what is the last 3 digits in this case, which is 104. Now you need to divide this 104 with 8. So divide it, what you will get here, 8 ones are 8. So what will be the remainder, which is 2. You need to take this 4 down, 8 threes are 24. Since the remainder is 0, in this case we can say that the given number is divisible by 8. So what is the divisibility rule for 8? You need to check the last 3 digit numbers. In this case, these are the last 3 digit numbers and you need to check this number is divisible by 8 or not. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that this number is divisible by 8. So write it here. Therefore 2104 is divisible by 8. Just you need to check the last 2 digits in case of 4 and you need to check the last 3 digits in case of the 8. Now see one more problem in this. Now you need to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or 8. So what is the divisibility rule for 4? You need to check the last 2 digits. So write it here. The last 2 digits of a number in this case, what is the last 2 digits, which is 52. Now you need to check whether this 52 is divisible by 4 or not. So divide it 4. What you get here? 4 ones are 4, which gives you the remainder 1. You need to take this 2 down. 4 threes are 12. So since the remainder is 0, in this case we can say that the given number is divisible by 4. So write it. What is the given number? 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. So just you need to check the last 2 digits. And now we need to check the same number whether it is divisible by 8 or not. For that, you need to take the last 3 digits of a number. So I am writing this one. For the divisibility rule for 8, you need to check the last 3 digits of a number. In this, what is the last 3 digits, which is 352. Now write it here, 352. Now you need to check whether that number is divisible by 8 or not. So divide it 352 with 8. You know that 8 fours are 32. Right? 5 minus 3, which gives you 3, and again take this 2 down, again 3 fours are 32. Since the remainder is 0, so we can say that this number is divisible by 4. So write it here. 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. For the divisibility rule for 8, you need to check the last 3 digit numbers, and for the divisibility rule for 4, you need to check the last 2 digit number. Now, in this problem, one more question is given that you can do it as an homework. So, in exercise 3.7 in the fourth question, third bit is your homework. Now see the next question, fifth question. Here, what is the fifth question they have asked? Find the smallest number that must be added to. Here they have given one number which is 2,89,279. This is the number they have given, and they ask find the smallest number that must be added to 2,89,279 so that the given number is divisible by 8. That means here this number is not divisible by 8, and you need to add one more number to this number such that this number should be divisible by 8. What is the number you need to add to this number such that this number is divisible by 8? We need to find it. That is the problem. Again, they have given this number, and this number is not divisible by 8, and you need to add one number to this number such that after adding that number you will get one more number, and that number is divisible by 8. So you need to find what is that number to be added. And here in the question they ask here, find the smallest number. That means you need to add the smallest number. You know that what is the smallest number? You know that 1 is the smallest number. So 1, 2, 3 like that you will add to this number so that you can check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Now here we know that there is no need to do the actual division. Just you need to check the last 3 digits of a number. In this case, what are the last 3 digits? Which is 279. Right? And this 279 is not divisible by 8. They have clearly given in the question, find the smallest number that is divisible to this number so that that is divisible by 8. That means this number is not divisible by 8. You need to add one number such that after adding that number, you will get the result. That result will be divisible by 8. So here, for the divisibility rule for 8, you need to take the last 3 digits of the number. In this case, the last 3 digits is 279. Now add the smallest number. What is the smallest number? Here 1. So if you add this one, what you are getting? You are getting here 280. 9 plus 1 which gives you 10. So you are getting 280. Now you need to check whether this 280 is divisible by 8 or not. Otherwise, you need to add 2. Otherwise, you need to add 3. Like that. First check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So checking here. 8 is a 24. Right? Here 8 minus 4 which gives you 4, and after that here 0, 8 5 is 40. So what will be the remainder in this case? Which is 0. So we can say that here this number is divisible by 8. So what should be the number? Which is 2,89,200. In place of 279, you need to write 280 so that that number is divisible by 8 because you are getting the remainder here as 0. So write it here 280. So this is the given number, and they ask what is the number you are adding such that that number is divisible by 8. What is the number we are adding here? We are adding the number 1 such that the result is divisible by 8. So what is the smallest number in this case? 1. So you need to write 1 is the smallest number that is added to 2,89,279 such that the result is divisible by 8. So write it this problem. Just you need to check which number we have to add such that that number is divisible by 8. So, fifth question. Write it here. What is the given number? Given number which is 2,89,279. So here we have already solved. What is the number we have added? Write it. So 1 is the number. 1 is the required number. That is added to. What is the last 3 digits in this case? Which is 279. That is 279. That is added to 279, which gives you. If you here the same like this only you need to do here, but here they are asked here what is the smallest number that is to be subtracted. In the before question they asked what is the smallest number that is to be added, and here they are asking what is the smallest number that can be subtracted from what is the given number here 1965. This is the number they have given, and they are asking which smallest number you need to subtract from this number. That means you need to subtract one number here such that you will get one answer, and this answer should be divisible by 4. That is the question they asked here. They have given this number and they are asking which is the smallest number that is subtracted from this number, so that the result obtained is divisible by 4. Now, so for the divisibility rule for 4, what we need to do? We need to take the last two digits of a number. So let us take the last two digits. What are the last two digits here? 65. Now subtract the smallest number. What is the smallest number? You know that 1 is the smallest number. So subtract 1 from this, and what you will get? You are getting the result as 64. Now you need to check whether this 64 is divisible by 4 or not. Now check it whether this 64 is divisible by 4 or not. And you know that 4 ones are 4, and 2 will be the remainder, and 4 6 are 24. So clearly this 64 is divisible by 4. So what is the smallest number that is subtracted here? If you subtract, this is the given number, and they are asking you need to subtract one number such that you will get the result here, and that result should be divisible by 4. So for the divisibility rule for 4, we need to check the last two digits in this case, so that we have took the last digit 65, and you know that 1 is the smallest number, and we have checked for that number. 65 minus 4 is gives to 64. Now whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, clearly it is divisible by 4 because you are getting the remainder here as 0. So what is the smallest number that must be subtracted here? 1. If you are subtracting 1 here, you are getting this number, and this number is divisible by 4. Just only we have checked the last two digits of a number. This is the problem. Now write it. Sixth question. What is the given number here? 1965. So here they ask what is the number to be subtracted. Just now only we have done. 1 is the smallest number, that must be subtracted. From which number? 1965, such that the obtained number is divisible by 4. Just now only we have done. So if you subtract 1 from this number, you are getting the number which is 64, and you know that 64 is divisible by 4. Now see here the next problem. So what is the second problem they have given? Write all the possible numbers between 1000 and 1100. Here they have given the numbers 1000 and 1100. And you need to write what are the possible numbers between these two numbers such that they are divisible by 11. That means here they have given here two numbers between 1000 and 1100. You need to write the numbers that lies between these two numbers, and you have to write the numbers such that those numbers are divisible by 11. That means here first you need to write what is the next number that is divisible by 11. And you know that 1000 is not divisible by 11. What is the divisibility rule for 11? Just if you take any number, let us consider here 1 to 40. What is the divisibility rule for 11? You need to add the sum of the odd digits. So here what is the sum of the odd digits here? 3 plus 2, which is 5. And you need to add the sum of the even digits. What is the sum of the even digits here? 4 plus 1, which is 5. And after taking the sum of the digits, you need to subtract these two values. After subtracting these two values, what you are getting here? The result is 0. If the result is 0 or the number is divisible by 11, we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. This is the divisibility rule. So many problems we have done based on this rule. Now here they are asking, you need to write the numbers between these two numbers such that those numbers should be divisible by 11. So first you need to know what is the next number that is divisible by 11. You know that after 1000 you will get 1001 and apply the divisibility rule here. So what is the divisibility rule? You need to add the sum of the odd digits. Here what is the sum of the odd digits, which is 1. 1 plus 0, which is 1. And add the sum of the even digits. What will be here? Again 0 plus 1, which is 1. And after subtracting, what you are getting here? 0. Since the divisibility rule is satisfied here, so we can say that this number is divisible by 11. So here, write it here 1101. Now you need to write the next number what is divisible by 11 here. So here you know that this is the next number that is divisible by 11. You need to write the next number. What is the next number that is divisible by 11? So here, if you want to write, there is no need to check 1002, 1003, 1004 like that. So if you check like that, it will take a lot of time. And what we need to do, just add 11 to this number so that you will get the next number that should be divisible by 11. So here, first number you need to check it, which is 1011. Just add 11 to that number. What you will get? You will get here 1012. So this is the number that is divisible by 11. Again, you need to add 11 to this number. If you add 11 to this number, what you will get? You will get here 1223. So write it here 1223. Now again add this number here. So here what you will get here? Again add 11 to this one. So what you are getting here? 1034. So write it here 1034. Like that you need to add 11 to the preceding number so that you will get the next number. What will be the next number? Clearly 1045. And what will be the next number? Which is 1056. And what is the next number? Which is 1067. And the next number which is 1078. And what will be the next number? Which is 1089. If you take the next number, you will get 1100. You can check it here. 1089 plus 11. What you will get? 9 plus 1, which is 10. And here also you will get 10, 1, 1. So you are getting this number. So just you need to stop it because they are asked here. You need to write the numbers in between 1000 and 1100 so that the given numbers are divisible by 11. What are those numbers? Which is these are the numbers that are divisible by 11. So there is no need to check each number. First number you need to check, and after that, after adding 11 to the preceding numbers, you will get the numbers that are divisible by 11. So write it here. The numbers that are divisible by 11 in between, what are the numbers they have given? 1000 and 1100 are, just you need to write these numbers. So these are the numbers that are divisible by 11 in between 1000 and 1100. From this session is completed. In the next session we are going to solve the remaining problems of this